Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Marshall Major 5 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones, and at the third line we have a button what's called Disconnect, and you need to tap this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your headphones, you tap at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your headphones and click forget this device, you will totally remove your headphones from your phone. Now I just tap on it, and as you can see I stop Bluetooth connection with them, but I still have these headphones at the device list. That's it. And also I can recommend reconnect these headphones by just tap on it after I disconnect it, if these headphones are turned on. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!